Alrighty, wanted to walk you through the instructions in lifetime in case screenshots and writing were not your thing. So I have completed my ball bounce to box transition, ding ding. And so yeah, so my animation is about the animation itself is about 3 seconds, and I got an extra second, right? So it lands around 3, and then I kept it to 4 just to like so that there's a moment of transition. So this will be helpful, right, for future self when we do the next step of the assignment. But yeah, your animation is about 3 seconds, and there's one second of just quiet, right? So I'm good to go. I've got my two transitions, right? The ball bounce, the two layer effects, the explosion, the transition to box, and the falling down. So we're going to go to file. We're going to go to export, and we're going to go to add to Adobe a media encoder queue. So this is going to open up a separate program. And this is where the ball bounce, this bounces up. And you're like, hey, media encoder. It'll take a second. It's kind of like when you go to Photoshop and you tell it to export something for the web. It gives you that cue, right, of what's the parameters. This is a similar thing. So you can see here, right, there's a media browser that's kind of going on. There's all this kind of, the preset browser. I don't have to touch anything. I just have to wait for this to populate, which it took a second, right? So I can see here, right, the program that or the file that I just exported, which is my Art 330 ball bounce final. It's going to output it right as that same name. And for now, I'm not going to mess with anything. I could, all I got to do is wait for this to populate. I can see that it's going to put it someplace. It's going to put it in my project folder of, and say again, file name. It says that it's ready. So again, all I got to do is come up here to push play. And again, it might take a second, and it's okay. And especially for those bigger animations that we'll do in the future, this might even take a little bit longer, right? And it's like, okay, and it's done. So once it's done, I can click done. Oop, let's click. That's a little report for us. And there it is. There's my final animation, and I can check it. Yep, it's an NP4. It's beautiful. All of that. So the final step that I will do is I'm going to go to my Finder. I'm going to go to Art 330 Motion Graphics. I'm going to go to Ball Bounce. I'm going to go to my final, right? And triple check, right? There she is, right? Pull her in there, right? Because I've done this before. So I'm just moving it into this folder. So I for sure know, right? It's not in a temporary folder, right? So we can see here, right? This isn't a temporary folder. It's on the hard drive in a private variation folders, VT, crazy, crazy, crazy deep, right? And I needed to pull that file that just exported and pull it into my Dropbox, right? So this is, or my OneDrive, right? There's my motion graphics folder, there's my ball bounce folder, and I pulled it into the final one. So whenever I need it, I know exactly what it is or where it is, right? Which is here. So one final step, I might want to put, again, my name on it. And if I'm being extra, I can put the date. September, it is today. There you go. So that is it. That is how, and then you would import, so I'd go, if I'm turning this in, I would come to Canvas and I would upload both the files. I would upload the After Effects file and the MP4. I want both of those, right? So can't wait to see yours. It'll be great.